Hey, what's going on today, guys? My name is that Volkswagen guy, and today I am going to show you a temporary fix, keep in mind temporary, on how to fix a stuck window on your car. Now, for example, my passenger side window, while I was driving my mom to the hospital, decided to stop working in the middle of the road trip. So, there's that. So, for example, the window was up to the window was stuck like this. No matter how many times you hit the switch, even on the passenger side, it did not work whatsoever. So today I'm going to show you a temporary fix, one that worked for me, might not work for you, just keep that in mind. But I will let you guys know, just in case, if the method that I show doesn't work, there's a few more methods that you can try. So yeah. Let's get over to the passenger side and I'll show you what I mean. Alright, so we're on the passenger side now, windows up. So what I did is I took the door panel off. As you can see, it's right there on my car. Oh, excuse me. And this here is your window motor. Now what I did is that I unplugged these two for about 10 minutes. Then plugged it back in, tried it on my driver's side, windows up. If this method doesn't work, in here there is a couple of wires that leads to the door. All you have to do is pop off this little plastic rubber piece right here. It's a little bit tricky to get out. You will damage it. Holy crap, it's busy. But yeah, take that out, check the wires, make sure they're not frayed, cracked, or anything like that. And if that doesn't work either, best thing I can say is replace the window motor, and hopefully it works. But the method that I used, just unplugging this for about 10 minutes, worked for me. Yeah, that's what I did. Now the pain in the ass part is getting the panel back on. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.